Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to take you through how you can install the Binance application on your mobile device. Over here, I'm using an iPhone, so I'm going to show how you can install from iOS, but it's going to be similar with Android devices. For Android devices, all you have to do is to head to the Play Store. In the search bar, type Binance, and the logo is the same for all. So I'm just going to show you how the logo works. On iOS, you open your App Store. When you get to the App Store, tap on the search. Now come into the search bar, type in Binance. You tap on search. Then over here, this is the logo for Binance. We can see that we have another logo with .us. That's not what you are looking for. You are looking for the first one called Binance buy Bitcoin and crypto. You tap on that, you see an install button. You tap on that to install. I have already installed it, so I'm just going to tap on open and go through the process to set up your Binance. When you open the application after installing, you are asked this question: what type of user are you? Are you a crypto novice, meaning someone who doesn't have any knowledge or very little knowledge about crypto? Or are you an experienced user? Which one are you? I know most of you are going to be novice or beginner, so I'm just going to tap on the crypto novice. So over here, we are given this sign up to get 100 USDT trading free rebate. So this is there's an option for you to sign up and also get that $100, but there are terms and conditions applied to that. Now down here, you can see if you have an account, if you're an entity, if it is a company that is setting the Binance up. You have ways of going around that, but we are going to go through with setting it up for an individual. Let's head to this. So first things first, if you already have Google, you set up your Google Mail and everything, your Google account is working, you can just tap on continue with Google and it will open the browser for you to authenticate, and that will make it simple for you. But let's say you don't have that and you want to sign up with your email. So to sign up with your email, you first type in your email over at where they've selected or they've typed email/phone number. So I'm going to type in my email right away. And if you have a referral code, you can actually use the referral code, and I encourage everyone to use. So I personally have my referral code and I'm going to link it below. So that's my referral code, and in case anyone wants to use it, I'll be very much pleased for you to use it. So I'll tap on next. And over here, we have to verify our email. So we have to go through the email verification process. Since the gate verification code is automatically sent to your email, that is the email you provided. So you have to open your mailbox and confirm that registration with the code that has been sent. Over here, mine is 471347. So we can see that automatically I've been approved because I've entered that. Now to set your password, to be security conscious, I'll always entreat that you set strong passwords. Now it's always best not to use a word that can be found in the dictionary, and I'll always encourage that if, let's say, you don't know how to go about this, just use a phrase that is particularly unique to you. Maybe you are someone who likes eating, say, watermelon. You can make your password, I am a watermelon eater. Now within this phrase, just with the word watermelon, we have O inside, which you can replace with 0. And there are other alphabet that you can replace with numbers instead of the normal alphabet. And this is a way of creating strong and secured passwords. So for this process, I'm going to use a very simple one. So as you can see, my characters are 8 characters and above. I have one number inside and also an uppercase letter. So I tap on next after doing that. Now my account has successfully been created. So if you've reached to this point, give yourself a pat because you've done awesome. So over here we tap on done. Now if you want to enable passkeys, you can do this. This is also another layer of security that Binance provides for its users in order for everyone to be secured on the platform. Currently, I'm not going to add a passkey, so I'm just going to close it. Now, after you've gotten to this point, it's going to open another stuff for you before we come to the dashboard. So let's see. Now we can see that our account has been created. We already know that we are going to be asked what country are we in. Now with our ISP, they automatically know that we are coming from Ghana and I'm in Ghana. So my residency has already been set to Ghana. But if you're not in Ghana, you can just tap on that and select the country you are from. And that should be fairly easy. Now after this, you have to complete the following steps to verify your account in 7 minutes. So to verify your account, they are going to need your personal information, a government issued ID, and your liveliness check. The liveliness check is just a setup where you show your face for them to know that you are alive, you are not a robot, and you are a moving human being. So this is fairly simple to do. So you just tap on continue. We are asked our legal first name, middle names, and last name. So all of these things, just remember they should match whatever is on your ID card. And mostly if you're in Ghana, the Ghana card should work. So I'm going to use my name, which is Desmond Daze. I've actually done this on my other account, so I might not fully go through with this. So my nationality, I'm a Ghanaian. Good. Then continue year of birth. Let me just pick something up. 1998. I mean, it's okay. That's May 25. Yeah, I think this should be okay. Now we are asked for a residential address. Over here, you have to add your residential address. So residential address, I'm just going to place in Accra, Spintex Road. I mean, there are a lot, so you can just select one then, but I'll choose one, I mean the authentic one that you can easily be located with. The postal code, I'm going to use this. Address must include all information, including your house, apartment number, and things. So I'm just going to continue with this. So now over here, you are asked for your document verification. So this is where you input your Ghana card, which is the recommended one. If you have a passport, no problem. They do take passport as well. So you tap on continue. And over here, you'll be asked to take pictures of your government issued ID. So you tap on continue. They'll open this camera settings for you to be able to use to do that. I'm actually not going to show this part since I would have to be using my real ID. So I'm going to skip this part. When you get to this part, you can take a picture of your ID as well. Good. So after this, they'll tell you your document is uploaded and I should click continue to proceed to the next step. So you tap on continue and you'll be sent to the liveliness check. So over here, you have to take off your glasses or anything that will obstruct the camera or to prevent them from seeing that you're a real human being. So you tap on continue for this. And you can see that my
Open
face
your
appears
mouth.
over here. So
Good.
you'll be turning
Nod
your
your
face.
head.
Yes, and then the verification will go through. So after you do this, then you'll see that you have been verified and now you can start trading on Binance. So that's like the easiest way for you to get your Binance set up and also verified as well in order for you to start using the Binance platform. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly leave me a comment so that I know you enjoyed it, and also do leave me a like on this video. If you've not yet subscribed, do subscribe so that you'll not miss the next video, which will be on trading on Binance.